because, you know, the thing is, back in the day when we had a lot of sicknesses, plumbers are really the reason why sickness and things have kind of died down. Now, obviously, people still get sick and things still happen, but when you think about like running water and sewage systems and all these things that have come to pass throughout the years, those were kind of some of the major reasons why we had a lot of sickness and not a lot of longevity in our lives back in the day. And then as time has evolved to get us to where we are today, we have plumbing and we have it's sanitary, so we're not getting as many infections and things like that. There's always a blue collar man or woman or some tradesman or women behind the scenes that make these things a bit available to us, that really help us take things to the next level.